Hello, can I make £300 from one plant? The plant in question being Colocasia Pink China. And if you follow my channel already, you'll know that I've just posted a video, can I make an income from my garden? And this is all part of that bigger project. In that video, I challenged myself to come up with 10 ways, 10 miniature projects in my garden, which each would make £300. So what my objective here is to see if I can propagate this pink china and sell all the babies that I produce, either through Facebook Marketplace or on the internet, and make a profit of £300. And I'm going to do that 10 times with 10 other small projects to make £3,000, which will add to that total income from my garden. So if you want to see the video about colocasia care, winter care and propagation, I'll put a link to that at the end of this video. But we bought one of these for £10. I've got two. Each one of these looks as if it's going to produce 6 little babies, and I've pinned them down into soil to hope that they will sprout and create new babies. And if I get 6 from each one, that'll be 12. And then if each one of those produces a couple more in the spring or summer next year, by this time next year I will have my 30 to 40 plants. I've got an idea around propagating mind your own business and selling that. And I'm definitely going to be selling some of my Colocasia esculenta. I've got about 24 of them already, all from one bulb. If you want to be involved in that project, follow my channel and engage by commenting in the comments box below this video. What ideas would you have for making an income from the garden? Anything you can suggest, I'm happy to consider. So that's project number 1. Can I make £300 from Colocasia Pink China? If you want one of these pink chinas, let me know, because it would be great for me to create a little waiting list so that when I do separate them all off into smaller plants, I'll have a ready market. Incidentally, at the back of this Colocasia Pink China, one of these runners has already produced a little baby plant, and both of the 2 that I've got in my border have already separated themselves into 2. So from 2 I already have 4, and there are about 10 runners which I've embedded into soil. So before you know it, I'll be well onto my way to the £300 I want to try and make from Colocasia Pink China. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit the notifications bell if you want to find out about how this project goes, and comment below, because it's always good to hear from you, and I'll see you soon.